white peoples would go inside the house, eat their lunch, and after they get through eating, and we had blacks as well picking cotton with us, and we were not allowed in the house to eat, so we had to eat out in the backyard. We come up like that, and then a lot of places back in them days we weren't allowed to go in places because of we were discriminated against just like the black was. And I remember well when I got to the point I started going to movie about 12 miles from where we lived, which was Macon, Mississippi. And the movie cost 15 cents at that time, and my dad would give me 50 cents a week to ride a pickup truck. Back pickup truck was 10 cents to ride over to the Macon to go to movie. And when we got to the movie, back then we had to go where the black people go. We Choctaw Indians, we went where the black people, and they, in fact, we were told to a lot of time, and which I didn't mind, didn't know what was going on anyway.